Hello everyone, Priya Rathore is here. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So students, today I am here with two new pre-writing strokes, that is right open curve and left open curve. So let's start with right open curve. So students, as you can see in this picture, this is a right open curve and you can see the direction. You have to follow the same for making right open curve. So for better understanding, I'll show you something. So students, here I taken wheat flour in a plate and I'm going to make a right open curve with the help of my index finger. See, like this. Now I'm going to trace the right open curve with the help of rajma seeds as you can see in this bowl, so you are able to see properly. See students, which curve we form? Right open curve. And do you know, the rajma seeds are also in form of right open curve. I'll show you. See, this is a rajma seed and it's right open curve. It's right open curve. Hope you all are understood. Now let's do the exercise. Take the right open curve. So you have to recognize which curve is this. So you have to take only and only right open curve. So is this a right open curve? Yes. So you have to put tick. Is this a right open curve? No. So leave it. Is this a right open curve? Yes. Put tick. Is this? No. Is this? Yes. Is this a right open curve? No. Is this a right open curve? Yes. Is this a right open curve? No. Is this a right open curve? No. So leave it. So now this exercise has completed. So students, I have prepared a worksheet for you. See, this is one worksheet I have prepared for you for making right open curve. With the help of this, you can go home. So first of all, in first line you have to do tracing from top to bottom in a left hand side like this, like this, like this. Now our tracing is completed. Now we will join two dots up and down like this in a left hand side. Right open curve, right open curve. Nobody will do like this, okay? It is wrong. Now here only a single dot I have given, so you have to do properly, but be careful, your line should not be touched to the bottom line. Like this. Right open curve, right open curve, right open curve. Nobody will do like this, it's very small. And nobody will do like this, it's going out from the line. This one is perfect. Now students, after this, we will move to the left open curve. So students, right open curve, as you can see in this, and see the direction of left open curve in it. Now if you can turn this plate, as we had made a right open curve here, if you will turn your plate like this, so it form a left open curve like this. In the same way you can do, trace it and put the Rajma seeds for the tracing, okay, for better understanding. Now let's start for the exercise. Take the left open curve. Is this a left open curve? Yes, so put a tick. Is this a left open curve? No. Is this a left open curve? No. Is this a left open curve? Yes, so put a tick. Is this a left open curve? No. Is this? Yes. Is this a left open curve? No. Is this a left open curve? Yes, so put a tick. So now students, when curve opens towards the right hand side, that means that's a right open curve. And when the curve opens towards the left hand side, that means that's a left open curve. Okay. So let's start to do our practice sheet. In the same way, first of all, trace and write the right open curves. So firstly we will do right open curve. After completing this, we will start left open curve. So start tracing top to bottom like this. Right open curve. Right open curve. Now there is no dot is here. So I request two parents to give the dots to parents, dots to students like this. Now start joining the dots. Dot to dot like this. Right open curve. Right open curve. Right open curve. Speak and write, okay? Right open curve. Don't spoil your worksheets, okay? Don't do like this and like this. It's wrong. These are correct. Now let's start. Trace and write the left open curve. So for the same, you have to trace this line. Same here. Now again I am going to request two parents to give dots to the students like this. Now start joining the dots like this. Nobody will do like this. It's wrong. Follow these one only. So students, for making right and left open curve, I prepared a combined worksheet for this. Please have a look. So firstly we will start making a circle. So for making a circle, firstly we will trace the right open curve. This is a right open curve and this is a left open curve. Fine. So start tracing slowly, slowly. Like this. See, we made a circle. Now with the help of right and left open curve, you can make a smiley also like this. Firstly a right open curve, then a left open curve. Now wow, you can make one orange also. Your tracing should be perfect, okay? Your line should be joined on dots. See, our worksheet has completed. So that's all for today. Hope you all are understood.